soup recipe for a healthy winter. Today we are going to make cream of mushroom soup. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up. So let's start. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter. Let it melt. Now add 1 cup of finely sliced button mushrooms. We are going to saute our mushrooms for a few minutes. It has started to release moisture. Now we are going to add salt to taste, some freshly crushed black pepper, sprinkle some oregano, mix well. Now we are going to cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. It has been 5 minutes. Now let us quickly check on our mushrooms. Now we are going to add 1 cup of water and then cover the lid and cook our mushrooms till they are soft. Our mushrooms are done. Now we are going to switch off the flame and let it cool down completely, then grind it to a fine paste. In the same pan, add the pureed mushrooms. Now we are going to add milk, adjusting the consistency of a soup. Mix it, and if you find the consistency is too thick, then add more milk. We are going to add some more milk. Then we are going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half cup of fresh cream to give it a smooth and velvety texture. Mix well and bring it to a boil. Soup is now done. Transfer it to a serving bowl. Our cream of mushroom soup is ready. Garnish it with some fresh cream and chopped mushrooms. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipes.